Uncle T!
Ah, girlfriend! My little Glubnica! It has been too long. How have you been?
I've been good, Uncle Trollface. It's so nice to see you after so long. I've really missed you.
Oh, I have missed you too, Rosa. I am so sorry it took me so long to come to America. I have just been so busy with... Oh. Ah, this must be your boyfriend that you've been talking about so much. It is so nice to finally meet you. My name is Mr. Trollolo. I am girlfriend's uncle.
Oops. I forgot to tell you that he talks like that when he's nervous. Sorry.
Oh, well, that is okay. I understand if you're intimidated. Just look at the size of me.
So, Uncle Trollface, what do you have planned for us today?
I am so glad you asked. I wanted to sing songs with you, Rosa, just like old times. So, for that reason... Ta-da!
Thank you so much, Uncle T! We're gonna have so much fun! Right, BF?
Alright, what song should we sing first?
Sing Glad. It's one of my favorites.
If you say so, Glubnica. Are you ready, boyfriend? Delightful! Just repeat after me.
3, 2, 1, go!
That was so good, you two! Y'all sing beautifully!
Thank you, sunshine. And I must say, boyfriend, you sang perfectly. Almost like I sang it to you when you were young. Oh, glad.
You okay, Uncle T?
Yes, dear. My chest feels heavy. Maybe allergies? Yes, boyfriend, I'll be okay. Maybe we can sing one more song, and I'll rest afterwards. So, what song would you two like to sing?
I
choose? Oh, well, thank you, boyfriend. I'll sing a song from one I used to sing for healing soldiers.
3, 2, 1, go!
保卫战已经火好久了，现在加入。
你会把它移开吗？
Uncle Troll, are you okay?
I feel terrible, Glutnika. Go to the kitchen and get the toilet.
I don't know, BF. This never happened before. Uncle T, I'll be back. BF, please watch him.
I've never felt like this before. It's almost like I got stabbed a dozen times in the chest. I'm not sure. I think we need to call an ambulance.
我不都没用到。在清理的时候，老师都是用那个纸给我们擦，没有叫我用棉布。
Is he... No, he can't Uncle Troll, are you okay?
Glutnika, help me.
It's about time. I've been dormant for so many years, and they've neglected us for too long. But now, he has arrived.
Uncle Troll, what are you talking about? What are you saying?
I suggest that you two start running.
叮，那最后结局要吗？
3, 2, 1, go!
Where do you think you two are going? I'm not done with you yet, Blue Boy! Where are you guys going? Don't you want to help poor old Uncle T?
Daddy! Something's seriously wrong with Uncle Chololo. I don't know. I can't think straight right now. Where are we? We're in some place called Aurora Woods. Please hurry. I don't know what to do. This has never happened before. I don't know what that is. Boyfriend? What's going on? Do you think Uncle T is...
Beep. Can you please stop with that? Now's not the time.
All right. I'm sorry. Damn. Just haven't spoken normally in a bit, that's all. Huh? What is that thing?
I don't know, BF. But we should probably be running.
Stay back, you lanky-ass bastard! You hear me?
Oh, shit.
哦，还蛮长。
3, 2, 1, go!
那谁抢？
Is that thing still on us?
Yeah, and he's gaining on us.
God damn. For being skin and bone, that thing sure has a lot of stamina.
Now's not the time to be making jokes. Keep running. What is that?
It's a big-ass tree!
Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Tree. We don't know how much longer we could have ran.
Yeah. Thanks, big guy.
The pleasure is all mine.
You know who that freaky SOB is?
Yes. He has been quite a nuisance ever since he wandered into my forest.
Thank you, Mr. Tree, for saving us. Is there any way we can make it up to you?
In fact, there is a way you two can be of use to me. I would like for you two to be the next host for my spores.